Hello and welcome to our driving tutorial. Today we are looking at the basic skills that you will typically cover on your first driving lesson. In this lesson we'll be teaching you how to move off and stop safely. When moving off we will cover the POM routine. This breaks down into prepare, observe and move. We'll then be stopping on the left and we'll use the MSM routine. Mirror, signal, manoeuvre. And we'll make sure we stop in a safe, legal and convenient place. Before you can move off, you'll need to know how to complete the cockpit drill and learn about the main controls and how to start the engine. This is covered in another tutorial. So let's get started and get you moving off using the POM routine. First you'll need to prepare the car. With your left foot push the clutch pedal all the way to the floor. Next select first gear using the palming method. With your left foot release the clutch until you feel the biting point. Once you find the biting point, it's really important to keep your feet still. This will avoid you stalling the engine or rolling back. You'll know when you've got the biting point because you'll hear the note of the engine change and the back of the car will bob down. In this shot you can see how your front wheels are trying to turn. If you experience this, your bite point is too high. Dip your left foot ever so slightly, as this will result in unnecessary wear on your clutch. So let's see that again, and this time listen to the engine. Notice how it changes. Now that we have the bite point set, it's time to continue with our POM routine. Now we can set the gas. Press the gas pedal gently so the revs are between the 1 and 2 on the rev counter. It's important we do this as the car will need a little energy to move, and this will reduce the likelihood of stalling, especially when moving off up a hill. Your left hand will be on the handbrake and your right hand will be on the steering wheel. You are now prepared. Now we observe to see if it's safe to move off. First of all, look ahead and in your centre and right door mirror to identify a safe gap in traffic. If it's safe, start your 6-point check, starting over your left shoulder, left mirror, ahead, centre mirror, right mirror, and finally over your right shoulder, looking for people in the blind spots. If it's safe to move off, release the handbrake, signal if necessary and release the clutch slowly and gently apply the gas pedal. Congratulations, you've just moved off safely using the POM routine. You're now going to learn how to stop using the MSM routine. That's mirrors, signal, manoeuvre. First check your centre and left door mirror. Now signal left if there are people around that would benefit from your signal. Now prepare your feet. With your right foot ease off the gas, this will start engine braking. Now move your right foot over the brake and gently press the brake to show your brake lights. With your left foot, cover the clutch. When it's safe, gently press the brake to slow the car. Steer left to position near the curb. As the car slows, press the clutch all the way to the floor to disconnect the engine from the wheels. Continue to brake, easing off slightly to get a nice soft stop. Keep your feet still. Now handbrake on and select neutral. Now you can rest your feet and relax. Congratulations, you've learned how to stop using the MSM routine. Thanks for watching our short tutorial and we hope you found it useful. Now get out there and practice your new skills with an approved driving instructor. Coordinating your hands and feet together will become much easier as you develop your muscle memory. You can expect this to become much more natural after about 6 to 10 hours of practice. Please watch our other driving tutorials and please comment on what you'd like to see us do next. My name's Howard, driving instructor and founder of How to Drive. Please hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.